Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, it is the month of May and I pray that I become consistent. I know you all might not be happy with me. Please, ke kopaling ineleng matsoho metsing. Now, Kgopolo reports TV, Straight Outta Compot, coming to Netflix. Guys, the reason why I'm reporting on this is because I love the actors, right? And I think it's going to be a great one. And also, it's giving the vibes about Tupac stuff. So, you know what? It's something that we might like. But the 2015 hit movie set in the mid-80s tells the story of a rap group, NWA, who came from the mean streets of Compton and went on revolutionize hip-hop culture with raw, productive authenticity. Yo a esikhuwa sihlwele bathong. Sikhuwa saloma, siyangiluma isilungu. Provocative authenticity. Thank you. Now this drops on the 31st of May at Netflix. So let us go watch and see gore we cannot revive that Tupac spirit in us. And if you can relate with the 1980s, tell us what do you remember about hip hop in those days. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.